In the skies above Berk, Hiccup and Toothless explore the world beyond. They map new lands together, searching for peace and purpose. But danger strikes as dragon trappers ambush them in the wild. Back home, Stoic warns Hiccup of Drago, a warlord who enslaves dragons. A masked rider saves Hiccup, revealed to be his long-lost mother, Valka. She leads him to a hidden sanctuary protected by a mighty alpha dragon. A heartfelt reunion unites the family as Stoic joins them in awe. But Drago arrives with a dark, bewildered beast, ready to conquer. Tragically, Toothless is forced to attack, and Stoic sacrifices himself. Devastated, Hiccup forgives his friend, standing by him once more. Toothless rises against the enemy Alpha, becoming the new leader. And in the end, Hiccup takes his place as chief, bringing hope to Berk.